Hello guys, in this video lecture we are going to study Business Information System. So what is Business Information System? The most common types of information systems used in business organizations are electronic and mobile commerce systems, transaction processing systems, management information systems, and decision support systems. In addition, some organizations employ special use systems such as artificial intelligence systems, expert systems, and virtual reality systems. Okay. So what is electronic commerce? E-commerce involves any business transaction executed electronically between parties such as companies, that is B2B, companies and consumers, that is B2C, consumers and other consumers, that is C2C, businesses and the public sector, and consumers and the public sector. Okay. People might assume that e-commerce is reserved mainly for consumers visiting websites for online shopping, but web shopping is only a small part of e-commerce picture. The major volume of e-commerce and its fastest growing segment is business to business or B2B transactions that make purchasing easier for corporations. This growth is being stimulated by increased internet access, growing user confidence, better payment systems, and rapidly improving internet and web security. Okay. This is the traditional process. As you can see in the picture, that person is preparing requisition and then obtain approval of requisition, and that requisition is sent to the purchasing department, and after that it is sent to the vendor. This is the traditional process for placing a purchase order. So now what is e-commerce process? As you can see in this picture, electronic purchase order is made in a single click. Okay, now what is mobile commerce? Mobile commerce is transactions conducted anywhere, anytime. M-commerce relies on the use of wireless communications to allow managers and corporations to place orders and conduct business using handheld computers, portable phones, laptop computers connected to a network, and other mobile devices. Here, portable devices are used. Okay. Now, this is transaction processing system. As you can see in the slide, a transaction is any business related exchange such as payments to employees, sales to customers, or payments to suppliers. Thus, processing business transactions was the first application of computers for most organizations. A transaction processing system is an organized collection of people, procedures, software, databases, and devices used to record completed business transactions. In payroll transaction processing system, the inputs go through a transformation process to produce outputs. As you can see on the right hand side, that is payroll transaction processing system. Hours worked and pay rate is fed as input to the system, and output, that is payroll checks, is given. Okay. Now, enterprise resource planning, that is ERP. An enterprise resource planning system is a set of integrated programs that is capable of managing a company's vital business operations for an entire multi-site. ERP is used to manage a global business or a global organization. Okay. Now, next point, ERP systems can replace many applications with one unified set of programs. Okay. Now, example is Sutter Health, a large network of 33 hospitals with more than 4 million patients in Northern California, uses an ERP system to process medical transactions and to exchange information between hospitals, physicians, and employees. Okay. Now see, this is Management Information System. A management information system is an organized collection of people, procedures, softwares, databases and devices used to provide routine information to managers and decision makers. The focus of an MIS, that is Management Information System, is primarily on operational efficiency. It is to be worth noted that the focus of MIS is primarily on operational efficiency. Marketing, production, finance, and other functional areas are supported by MIS and linked through a common database. Management information systems typically provide standard reports generated with data and information from the TPS. Okay? Now, what is Decision Support System, that is DSS? A decision support system is an organized collection of people, procedures, software, databases, and devices used to support problem-specific decision making. The focus of a DSS is on decision making effectiveness. Okay, here the worth noting point is decision making effectiveness. This system is focusing on decision making effectiveness. Okay, whereas an MIS helps an organization do things right, a DSS helps a manager do the right thing. For example, Oxford Bookstore, located in Calcutta, uses a DSS and the internet to allow book lovers in India to purchase their favorite books at Oxford's traditional retail stores or through its internet site. The internet site provides a wealth of information to help people make better book purchasing decisions. Okay? So this is all about DSS.